Hello kids, welcome to our easy learning geographic video. Today we are going to learn about the country of Bhutan. Its states, also called districts, their capital town and the total area of the country. Bhutan is a beautiful country located in South Asia between India and China. The total area of Bhutan is about 38,394 square kilometers. Bhutan has 20 districts, also known as Dzongkhags. Let's learn them one by one. First is Bhutan district. The capital of Bhutan is Jakar. Next is Chuka district. The capital is Chuka. The third district is Dagana. The capital town is Dagana. Next comes Gasa district. The capital of Gasa is Gasa. Now we have Ha district. The capital town is Ha. Next is Luansi district. The capital is Luansi. Next is Mongar district. The capital city is Mongar. Next is Paro district. The capital of Paro is Paro. Then we have Pemagatchal district. The capital is Pemagatchal. Next is Punakha district. The capital town is Punakha. Now comes Sandrug Dzongkhag district. The capital is Sandrug Dzongkhag. Next is Samtse district. The capital town is Samtse. Next comes Serpang district. The capital of Serpang is Gilipu. Next is Thimphu district. The capital is Thimphu, which is also the capital city of Bhutan. Then comes Trashigang district. The capital is Trashigang. Next is Trasiangsi district. The capital town is Trasiangsi. Now we have Trongsa district. The capital is Trongsa. Next is Tasirang district. The capital town is Dempu. Then comes Wangdrui Phodrang district. The capital is Wangdrui Phodrang. The last district is Jhimgang. The capital town is Jhimgang. So today we learn Bhutan is in South Asia. Bhutan has 20 districts. Each district has its own capitals. The total area of Bhutan is 38,394 square kilometers. Thimphu is the capital city of Bhutan. Great job kids. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more learning easy videos. See you in the next lesson.